This video is to demonstrate the fact that this GF-07 GPS tracker doesn't do anything. I sent a still photograph to the supplier, but they won't accept that because it's not exciting enough. I charged the battery up. I'll switch this on to show you plug the charger in. Because the battery is fully charged, the charger doesn't show any charge going in, but that's because it's full. So the battery is fully charged. I take the lid off and put in a SIM card, like that. What is meant to happen is when you put the SIM card in this corner here, an LED light flashes. You will notice there is no LED light flashing. Nothing. It is dead. You can put the lid on, and that's it. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't connect to the mobile network. No lights flash. It is dead. All I want to do is return it for a refund, but they insisted on a video. I think this is just an attempt to make me waste my time so that I'll give up rather than ask for my money back. Well folks, here's a piece of advice. Don't buy one of these. They are rubbish.